Hi, this video is about finally and within finally continue in Python 3.8. The first environment that I have chosen is Python 3.7 to show you how it's working. I've created a new continue function, and in this I'm using the for loop. Within that I'm using a range function and creating a range up to 12. Then I'm trying. In the try block, I have printed I divided by 0. That is going to create an error. To handle that, I've created an except block, and that prints 10. So let's do this I. And then finally, I print no error in continue and then the continue. So basically, it should have it should enter here, find an error, print I, go to finally, that is always executed, and then start again in try block. And when I run this in Python 3.7 environment, it gives me continue not supported inside finally clause. In Python 3.8, this has changed. What they have done, see, the same new continue function with for loop and range up to 12, trying the block except printing I, and then using finally, and within finally I'm using continue block. Finally block I'm using continue, and then I'm running a new continue function. Let's save it and run it. Python finally continue.py. See, it's starting from 0, and the except block it printed 0, then it went to continue finally, where it printed no error in continue, and then it's continued, and then again tested, went to try block, tested it, went to accept, and then continued doing this up to 11, starting from 0 to 11. That means overall 12 times. So in Python 3.8, continue could be used with finally code block. And I hope this is clear alongside how for loop is working, how try, except, and finally works within Python 3.8, and what is new thing available in Python 3.8, that is continue within the finally block. I hope you enjoyed this course, and if you have any question, feel free to contact me by email, by Skype, or by any other channel that you find about me. Thank you.